Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you the MOC version of the Diagon Alley Weasleys Wizard Wheezes. I built that a couple days ago and I made it into a MOC. What you're seeing right here is pretty much how it's built from, stock from the box itself. The only difference is, of course, I connected this to the plate. I made a what do you call it, plate board right here. So anyway, so that's coming up right after this. Okay, so here it is. Showing it here. I'll be showing it here in a second. It's the modular version where I have all the other buildings connected to it, or also the roof. You see right there. That's what it looks like from above. I got a building right here, just a small building right next to it, and also the roof and the wall in the back, and all that can be removed, so that way it ends up turning right back out to the way it was on the box. The only thing I didn't include, which you'll probably see it better in a second when I show the front of it, let me just turn it here, is I didn't put the arms on it because it looked kind of out of place with the arms on it, so I didn't put the arms, but I did leave the head. I didn't put the arms. So yeah, and here's the front view. So here's the front view, what it looks like from pretty much perspective of the minifigs, maybe a little higher, from buildings across the way. So let me turn it here a little bit so you can kind of see what it looks like there. You can kind of see how it's built normally. I put the post office or whatever it's supposed to be over here on the other side, which you'll see here in a second as it comes around. There's the post office right there with the owl on top. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Can't really zoom out too easily with this right now, but I'll try to get a couple more perspectives and I'll show them right here coming up next. Okay, so here it is, better view. This is the back, what it was on the last clip there. I'm actually holding the camera, so if it's shaking a little bit, sorry about that. Kind of give you more of an overview of what it looks like. A little bit further away, a couple little stories going on with the minifigs that are there. This table's kind of, or this tub is kind of sideways, so it's a little hard to turn it because it hits the edges there. But as you can see the front there and everything. Has 3 different doors, 2 on the original and 1 on that extra. As you can see, it rocks back and forth a little bit, not exactly even. A little door there which opens up. I just forgot to put the little stub on it, but it does open up. And then let me go and show you how it gets removed. There's the roof and everything, but it's pretty simple to remove everything. Like I said, it is modular, so this here just removes on its own. This building here, set that aside. Got a little box in there, it kind of holds it together. It's also open right there. That's where the other wall, it meets this wall here. So it's open there, you can see the second floor there and everything. Then this just comes off as one large piece. Kind of tough to get off, but it does come off. There you go. And of course it's got the remainder of the floor for the second floor in there. You could turn it, and now you can see the inside, which is, nothing's changed at all in there. It's exactly the same way as it comes. This is built normally. So that's the way I did it. The only difference is, of course, these little plates here on the bottom. This is what holds it down. They clip down on the studs there, so that way it stays in place. So let me go ahead and put it back together. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. It's a little hard to do, but yeah, I like how it just clips on pretty easily here. You can hear that snap in. There you go. So there's the first building there. That's how it looks without the side building on. This here, what you do, is I've got a couple studs right there in the beginning there. They're in the front. Clips on those and goes between these two little boxes that are in the back. Just goes between there, sits down, and boom, it's in there. So yeah, got the 6 windows there, 3 for each floor, and I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully it'll turn out pretty good on a corner. I haven't decided which way to do it yet. Left where this is either, or well, yeah, left where this is up against the building, or right where that one's up against the building. But I haven't decided how to do that. So my next video will probably be where I place it in the city. I'm actually shifting my city all around to get this in there. I'm going to be making the blocks a little bit smaller. They're going to be probably 4 plates, two each way, square, instead of 6 like I have originally. There will be 1 3-plate block, but that'll be later on. That's my simply square center once it's finished. But that'll probably be up against the back some more. So yeah, I'm going to be moving the city around to put this in there. And hope you like this video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.